Question 5. From the top of a tree 16 meter high on the bank of a river, the angle of depression to a point on the other shore is 30 degrees. What is the width of the river? Okay, let's try to sketch it first. Let's say that's the river and let's make a tree here. So let's assume that, well, on the shore we have a tree here. Okay, and well, let's make something green here. Okay, that's our tree. So from top of the tree, 16 meter high. So this height is 16 meters for us. Let's write 16 here. From here to here, it is 16 meters. On the bank of a river, the angle of depression of a point on the other shore is 30 degrees. So what we do is we just draw a horizontal line. As you know, that the angle of depression is always with the horizontal line, correct? So with the horizontal line, it makes 30 degrees. So let's say that is the other point on the shore, and when we join these 2 points like this, in that case, angle of depression is 30 degrees. That means this angle is 30 degrees. Do you understand? That is the angle of depression with the horizontal, right? Let's make it very clear. So that is your horizontal line. So angle of depression is always the angle from the horizontal, moving downwards like this, correct? Now, what is the width of the river? So we want to find width of the river. That is this. And we know this is 90 degrees. So if it is a 90-degree triangle and we have one special angle that is 30 degrees, these two lines are parallel, right? These two lines are parallel, and therefore this angle should also be 30 degrees, correct? It's like always you will find that angle of depression and elevation, they will be same. They are both measured with the horizontal, right? So think like this. These are two parallel lines and that's a transverse line. And these are your alternate angles, right? Always alternate angles are equal. Now we want to find this width, and we know the height of the tree. So the relation which relates height to width is tan, right? Tan is opposite over adjacent, correct? So we can write tan of 30 degrees. Tan of 30 degrees is opposite over adjacent, which is 16 over width W. So let W be the width of the river. In that case, tan 30 equals to 16 over W. But what is tan 30? If you are not allowed calculator in the test, which you may not be allowed, in that case, it's good to make your special triangles. So let's make a special triangle here, and that's our special triangle. Now, it doesn't, right. So let me write down this sides as, let us say, this is 1, this is 2, this is square root 3, and let this angle be, that is 30 in our special triangle, and this is 60 when the sides are 1 and 2. So sine 30 is what? Sine 30 is opposite over hypotenuse. So, and tan 30 is what? Opposite over adjacent. So this is tan 30, correct? So tan 30 is 1 over square root 3. So we can write this as 1 over square root 3 is equals to 16 over W. To find width W, let's cross multiply. And so we get width is 16 square root 3. So if you're looking for an exact answer, that is the exact answer. And the unit is meters. So the width is 16 square root 3 meters. Correct? So that is how you are going to do this problem, and see how we used angle of depression and our special triangles for this application problem. Correct? Thank you.